Good afternoon, everybody. Fanman Steve here once again. It is Wednesday, October the 25th, 2023. I am right in the middle of cleaning my house, and what you see here, this is the list of my daily activity, and there's pretty much 7 things that I need to do today. Particularly 4, as in getting the house cleaned up. And today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing one of my daily activities by doing a vacuuming video. I'm not exactly sure if I have made a video of this one yet, but this is a Bissell Power Force Helix vacuum cleaner, and this is a pretty good vacuum cleaner in terms of performance and somewhat quality. Sorry about that. I had to let my dog out. Anyway, if I were to say so, this definitely does a better job than the Power Force Ultra. Not exactly sure how old this is. I do not watch many videos of these vacuum cleaners. If I were to say so, it's probably maybe early 2010s or so. It has all kinds of neat features to it, including the setting of of what surface you're working on, including a bare floor and a high carpet. And it even has a washable filter. Save your money on replacements, which I do believe to be true. This is the container that collects all the dust and trash and whatnot. And it's actually not hard to clean either. Actually, I just recently cleaned this. Really doesn't appear to be that dirty. For maximum cleaning performance, check and clean all filters frequently. There's the filter there. I cleaned that here just recently. I haven't cleaned it with water or anything. I've just been cleaning it out just with the brush. But it still does a decently good job. There's the top part of the filter there. There's the inside of it. Maybe in some other video, maybe I can do a video of me cleaning and servicing this thing. There's a top up there. Okay, so here's the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. There's the sweeper there. Some hairs and stuff in here. Whenever I have the free time, maybe I can make a video of me cleaning this thing. It could stand a decent cleaning. Let's see what we have here on the bottom. That's just a caution tag there. There's wheels. Things are really easy to control too. Okay, so here's the information. Bissell, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This was manufactured in China, and the model is a 12B 12B1 13082 101E. There's the patient there. There's the barcode. Fortunately, I do not see a date on this. Maybe I'll look up a video and find out. There's the power cord right there. There's the hose. This originally would have had some attachments that would have came with it, but I think those are probably long gone. It still works pretty good nonetheless. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, so now I will give a demonstration. Before I do so, I'll give you a look at the carpet here. Maybe you can pick it up through the camera, but it is kind of dirty. So I will show an after effect once I am finished. Say hello to Angel there. So, here we go. Let's get started. Okay, you see the after effect there. I'm sure you can tell the difference, but this definitely made a difference. Carpet is a lot cleaner now, smells better, and I am not unimpressed with these old vacuum cleaners here, even for a China modern made plastic vacuum cleaner. They very well get the job done. So there you go, everybody. There is a quick little review and demonstration of our Helix Power Force vacuum cleaner made by Bissel. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Maybe sometime eventually I can get a video of me cleaning this thing, and I will do another demonstration if need be. That'll do it for now. You all have a good one, and I will see you later. Bye bye.